Hello everybody and welcome back to Little Tree Learning, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners who are wanting to learn or improve on their English speaking language. Our English lessons are designed to be short and concise for easy learning and understanding. You can also pause the videos and practice the new words by yourself. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, using English in a one-to-one roleplay, and using reading skills. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Phonics for short vowels, N and Et sounds. N, Et. N, hen, hen. N, men, men, men. N, pen, pen. N, ten, ten. Hen, men, pen, ten. Let's move on to our Et sounds. Et, jet, jet. Et, pet, pet. Et, vet, vet. Et, wet, wet. Jet, pet, vet, wet. Listen and say the sentence. The hen sits on the eggs. The hen sits on the eggs. The girl has a pen. The girl has a pen. The men are running. The men are running. It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. The boy is on the jet. The boy is on the jet. The vet is wet. The vet is wet. This is my pet. This is my pet. Let's review the phonics sounds. N, hen. N, men. N, pen. N, ten. Et, jet. Et, pet. Et, vet. Et, wet. We're at the end of our lesson. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.